Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
WebinarKit review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called WebinarKit. So this is the WebinarKit review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 11 minutes long. So you will have to come and watch this demo video. So we'll get back here. Right now on the sales page it says automate your sales growth and profits with WebinarKit. Create automated like and live and just in like and live, I guess, right? Like and live and just in time webinar funnels in minutes on the same platform, trusted by over 10,000 businesses. And these are the features: unlimited funnel restaurants and attendees, unlock evergreen profits, sell on autopilot 24/7, one-time pricing, limited time. So first of all, this is one all-in-one. Okay, this is all-in-one platform. It's called SaaS. It's a software as a service. Okay, so this demo video actually explains everything on the sales page. There's not much information, but you will have to go and watch the demo video. So in case you are primarily a digital marketer and experienced one, okay, because this is no joke here. This software is only for people who are on a level. Okay, level means you are running a business, or maybe you are running some agency, or you are working for a company and you need to go and do these webinars every now and then. Because it's not for newbies, it's for people who are running a successful business already, making a lot of money already, and they just need to go and attend webinars every now and then, or they need to host webinars, or they need to run pre-recorded webinars every now and then for their marketing funnel. So if you are some experienced digital marketing company or freelancer or maybe affiliate marketer, then you may want to go and check this out. Okay, so if you're a newbie, just stay away. This is not for newbies. If you're a newbie and you want to make money on the internet, then you do not have to buy any of this. Okay, because right now as a newbie you are no way near towards hosting a webinar. Okay, if you're a newbie, then I'll show you the methods which I use personally to make money online. And if you go below my YouTube video, you will find some links here which says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and you can click on show more here. So Traffic Jarvis will help you to actually do exactly what I'm doing right now. So in case you also want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews or by making any other videos, then you can check out this Traffic Jarvis video here later on in the end, not right now, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 1 month. Okay, mainly it will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will be monetized. After that, you can make money on YouTube for the rest of your life just by uploading these videos without selling anything, because you must have seen some ads in this YouTube video. Okay, and those ads make me money whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not. So if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything by making such videos, then keep watching the video till the end, and just go and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All of that is free. Okay, free. Hit the subscribe button. It's for you, not for me. All right. And also, if you want to support this channel or contribute, then you can use the super thanks button and you can leave your colorful questions or comments, right? So subscribe, and let's get back here. So you might find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So you can click on the link which says grab this WebinarKit copy here. Click on that link, and then you will be taken to the sales page. If you don't find the sales page link yet, then you will still find the demo video link. Okay, so come and watch the demo video and then decide if you need this or not, because this is launching again, I think on 2nd of August 2022, like maybe 4 days from now on. Okay, so yes, so make up your mind. I think you have 4 or 5 days. I'm doing an early review, so you can see all these things, and obviously it's something which I will not explain, or I cannot explain, because it's just the technical stuff. They have created their software, so they know what they're talking about. They are the best people to explain all the technical stuff. I will just go through FAQs and then we'll talk about the demo videos. So here you can see the demo video is also available on the sales page, but I will leave the link of the demo video separately below my YouTube video. Okay, so let's get back here and let's see what are the FAQs. So the pricing is $67 to start with, right? It's not very costly, it's not very cheap. And I told you in the beginning that it is not for people who are playing around here. If you are here doing window shopping or just trying to find a way to make money online, it's not for you. It's for those people who are professionals already making money for them or maybe for their company. Okay, so it's not for newbies. If you're newbie, stay away, and if you're professional, keep watching. And I mean, in both the cases, keep watching the video till the end. If you're professional, you can go and buy this. If you're a newbie, then I will tell you exactly how to make money without buying this. Okay, so does WebinarKit have recurring fees for a limited time? No, it does not. Does WebinarKit host all my pages? Yes. Does WebinarKit work on my computer? Obviously, it does. Where else it will work then? Does WebinarKit build all the pages I need? Yes. Do I need tech skills? No, you don't. Do I need to do live webinars? No, you can have pre-recorded. Okay. What if I have questions? You can contact their support. Does webinar support multiple languages? Yeah, they do. Does WebinarKit have public roadmap? I don't know what the roadmap is, but you have it, right? Let me do you want me to click on this? Oh, it's upgrade. It's part of the upgrade. Okay, so you have to go and upgrade. Can I get a refund? You have 2 weeks of money back guarantee. So within 2 weeks, you can contact them and get the refund. For me, don't buy if you don't want it. Only buy if you want it. Okay, so no refund, right? If you need it, then go and get it and then forget it. This means that what does lifetime update? Okay, update is like covered. Okay. All right, let's talk about some OTOs. I think they have only 4 OTOs. Let's take a look here. So if you come here, you can see front end will be for 67. Then this is OTO number 1 for 97. Then this is 47. Upsell 2. Upsell 3 is agency license, which is something which you don't really need to buy. If you're if you're an individual, you don't have to buy this. And this is per month. I don't know why would you buy per month, but here are the explanations. So this is what you will be getting in the front end in 67. Okay. And this is what you will be getting in 97. As you can see, you can read everything, pause the video. And in OTO number 2, you will be getting all of this. And OTO number 3 is this, agency license. OTO number 4 is this, right? So go and check everything here. I have shown you what are the features, and now you can decide which OTOs you need and which one you don't, right? Main thing is the demo video. I have been doing blah, 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 but that means nothing, okay? Because this is the technical stuff. In this demo video, they're demonstrating how to create the funnels and webinars and everything and how to go live, okay? You can see here the webinar is inactive. So whatever I have said, it's just like a green signal that, okay, if you're a professional and you need webinars, then you can go and buy this. It's good to go from my end. But still, you have to go and watch this demo video. I will leave the link of the demo video again below my YouTube video somewhere here. So find the link, watch the demo, and then take action, okay? Now, for those people who wants to make money, but they are newbies, they don't know what's going on here because it's techie as well. This stuff, hosting webinars, doing webinars, requires experience, requires sales page, requires proof, requires brainwashing. So it requires expertise if you want to do your webinars, okay? So as a newbie, I don't think you are anywhere near doing webinars. So as a newbie, the simplest thing you can try to do is make money on YouTube without selling anything. Just like me, I'm doing this review. You are watching some ads in this video. So the more people see this video, the more people will watch my ads, and the more money this video is gonna make for me in that way. Okay. So I don't have to sell you anything. If you buy something from me, that's a bonus. If you don't, then this video still makes money for me because my YouTube channel is monetized, right? Now, if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube for free rest of your life, and also how to make money with email marketing, then keep watching. Before that, subscribe. And now let me show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis here. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says, make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.